I'm Denny Mines, and I am the Sales and Operations Manager down in our Metro location.
Casey Healy, and I'm the Commercial Sales Representative.
My name is Megan, and I'm the Customer Care Manager.
My name is Dan Anderson, and I'm a Logistics Specialist.
Mike Ward, Account Manager.
Would you rather go into the past or the future?
Maybe the past. Yeah.
What would you do back there?
I'm really intrigued about like caveman life and what that was like.
You go far back.
Way back, beginning of time would be interesting. Yeah.
I would rather go into the future.
I would rather go into the past.
Okay. Would you meet somebody specifically?
Yeah, I think I would.
Yeah.
I've read all of Winston Churchill's biographies, and I think it'd be very cool to meet Winnie.
Alright, this is a good one. Would you rather read an awesome book or watch a good movie?
For me, I'd rather watch a good movie.
I would rather read the book and then I can complain about the film. Like a purist.
Read an awesome book.
Would you rather make a phone call or send a text message?
Making a phone call, probably. You can actually get to talk to the people. Text, you never know what you're gonna get back, and it's hard to read people over text. So.
Well, I guess I'd do both in my role here at DBS, and phone call is definitely more personal, so a phone call all the way, yeah.
Would you rather breathe underwater or fly?
Fly.
Breathe underwater.
I would rather be able to fly. I mean, I think man has always dreamed about flying like a bird, and that'd be so cool.
Oh, fly. For sure, I would much rather be able to fly than breathe underwater.
If you could have an unlimited gift card to anywhere, restaurant, store, any of that, where would you choose?
That's a good question. Very good question. I would say maybe Amazon or Buffalo Wild Wings.
I would say Canal Park Brewing, because that's my favorite restaurant in town.
I feel like I'd have to say Target because there's so many. You can get food and like fun stuff there.
Yeah, I'll take an Amazon gift card.
Okay. Just unlimited.
Unlimited.